Maximizers, and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. My name is Crystal. I'm a money strategy coach and I'm here to help you, yes you, save money so that you can live the life that you love. And this is my first CVS video of the year. I talked about this in a live Q&A that I did that I will link here for you to go check out. I did some Krys Maximizer updates. I will not be couponing as much in 2022. I'm also not going to be going to CVS and Walgreens every single week. I am at CVS today with one purpose. I have $10 in extra bucks that expire today, January 4th, and there's something that I need. I get this question all the time. What do I do if I have extra bucks that are expiring? And in this video, I'm going to share exactly what to do with them. So I'm going in to do one deal. I'm going to do the Kotex deal. They are 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. My plan is to buy 4 packs, okay? They are going to be $16. And then I have a $4 off 2 digital. And I have 2 65-cent off printable coupons that I printed last night. I have my $10 extra bucks. And I will end up leaving with a $2 extra buck that I can use the next time that I am shopping at CVS. So let's go ahead and dig in. Pray they have our Kotex. At least like pads and liners or some tampons. Just something that I need because I just want to use up these extra bucks before they expire. So let's go in and I'll talk to you a little bit more as I'm walking through the store about how to use your extra bucks when they are about to expire. So let's dig right on in. Alright, Maximizers, here is what your girl is buying. I am buying 4 boxes of Kotex, y'all. They are 2 for $8 and the deal was a limit of 1. So when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. I'm only going to get a $2 extra buck for the first set, not for the second set. So here's my breakdown that I've done on my transaction breakdown. It's linked in the description box if you want to do it. This is the key to knowing exactly how much you're going to pay at the register. So did the math. Kotex is $8 times 2 equals $16. So our total before coupons is $16. We're going to use a $4 off 2 digital, and then I have 2 of these 65-cent off ones that I printed. So if I go to my CVS app right now, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my 4 off 2, so let me show that to you. And I didn't get any sort of like CRTs or anything, but I'm gonna scan the boxes just to make sure. So there's the $4 off 2 Kotex plus these 2, so that's gonna leave our total, if I did that right, $10.70. Let's make sure I did my math right. 16 subtract 4 subtract 0.65 subtract 0.65. Okay, yeah, $10.70. Here's my $10 in extra bucks that expired today, January 4th, so that's $10. So we're literally going to pay 70 cents plus tax. And this portion of the video is sponsored by good old Fluz, because that is how we're going to pay for the 70 cents plus tax. So Fluz is a instant cashback app, y'all, and you earn up to 35% cashback when you purchase gift cards, and you use those to shop at over 300 retailers. I personally like to buy a Fluz gift card every single week that your girl is here at CVS. And how do we do it? Go to CVS. You can see I have a 35% cashback voucher. That's because I refer people. When you refer, you get vouchers. And when you sign up, you get 3 vouchers. Okay? You click on CVS. You're going to choose the amount of your gift card. Alright? I typically choose $10 because you get the most for your money. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Put in your super secret passcode. Once you put in your passcode, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click purchase. So you got to choose how you want to pay. I would pay with my Fluz balance, or you can choose one of your credit or debit cards, or you can add one in new. You put in your passcode, and you go ahead and click pay. So I'm going to do that part, and then I'm going to show you what the gift card looks like once you purchase it. So in order to get back to your gift card, you're going to go to my purchases, okay? And I have a CVS gift card that still has some money on it. So I'm just going to click on it. It's going to ask me to, whoops, no it didn't. I'm going to click on it, and there's my barcode. If you can see, there's my barcode. So I'm just going to go to the register and pay with my barcode and my access PIN number. And that's going to get me the 70 cents paid for. So you earn the cash back from Fluz when you purchase the gift card, not when you use it. So you can purchase a gift card today and use it like whenever. If you want to start earning up to 35% cash back at over 300 retailers, I highly suggest you stop what you're doing. Download the Fluz app and use my referral code Maximizer21 and start earning your cash back. I do have a full tutorial video that I'm going to link here as well for you. So that way you can go ahead and check out the Fluz app. So thanks Fluz for sponsoring this portion of the video. And if y'all have any questions about Fluz, let me know down in the comments. All right, Maximizers. I'm still trying to get used to my new haircut and trying to figure out how to style my short hair. So if anybody wants to send me pictures over on my Instagram at Krys the Maximizer to let me know like how I can style my short hair, I'm actually gonna wash it and just twist it out again. Maybe try something different with the front. I honestly don't know. But anywho, I'm back from CVS. Here is my receipt. Let me cover up all the important information because my CVS account indeed has been hacked before and I had to get a new one. So as you can see, everything rang up like it was supposed to, all right? My $4 off 2 digital came off, as well as the $10 in extra bucks that your girl, whoops, not even in the camera. Everything rang up like it was supposed to. My $10 in extra bucks came off, and it looks like, oh, both of my 65%, Jesus, 65 cents coupons came off. I also earned my $2 extra buck, and then I also got a 4 off 40, which really isn't that eventful, so I probably won't use it. I'm not sure when I'm going to CVS again, but I only went to get the things that we actually needed. So let me know down in the comments if it was helpful for you to understand that if you have extra bucks, and this also works for register rewards, this works for my Walgreens cash, this works for any expiring reward. If it's about to expire, instead of doing a deal of something that you may not need, do a deal of something that you actually need. I wish they had more of these because these are actually my favorite liners, but these are not as bad. I will use these as well. Like either or, these are definitely my top 2 types of liners. We need these. I'm very, very low in my stockpile. So let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. I also would love to invite you to my Save $100 in 3 days challenge. It's happening on January 9th, 11th, and 13th of 2022. I'm going to be showing you how to see $100 of your savings and put it into your bank account. We're going to be covering budgeting on day 1, couponing on day 2, meal planning on day 3. You get all 3 days, a private Facebook group, and 2 live Q&As on Zoom, all for just $30. You can sign up right now at KrysTheMaximizer.com. So thank you all so much for your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there as you're shopping. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.